Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures. I just want to come back to my channel and go back to the series called Use Your Scrap Stash. So what we're going to be doing today is I'm going to show you what I did using this Dear Lazy collection. I think it's all good collection. And I got this from Tuesday Morning for $2.99, and I got this maybe 4 months ago. So very cute collection, very summery, as you can see right there. And I'm gonna do a flip through with you. And with this, I also was able to grab this from Tuesday Morning, as well as this one, which is the ephemera with gold foiling. So we're going to be using that, and also the sticker sheet, the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. As you can see, I've already used it up. So that's the top going to the bottom. So I'm gonna do a little bit of project share on what we did using this collection, but first I want to show you the papers. This is all beautiful paper. We're just gonna do like a quick flip through on what we have here. Some cut apart, some beautiful, all this. And I think this is, it doesn't have to be like a spring or summer. This could be like an any time of the year kind of collection. It could be like a happy birthday, thinking of you, scrapbooking your everyday, because these are all cute elements. And especially you can use this for birthday cards, because of the balloon elements and the colorful ones. You can also make a mini album. So again, this is good for any occasion all throughout the year. So this has 36 sheets, and it is gold foiled, and this is a 6x8. So this is called It's All Good. So let's start. I'm going to share with you what we did using this. So let's start with this one. This is a coffee cup card. I used the honeybee die set that they released maybe 2 years ago. So this is the die. It's big. And it has all of the parts in it. So this one is this. And then it also has the lid, and so this is, I would recommend this die for anybody who likes coffee in general or making coffee crafts. So let's start with this card. So I think this would be a good card to give to somebody who likes tea or coffee. You know, you can put a Starbucks card in here, because totally a Starbucks card fits. Let me get a gift card for you. So let's see. Let's get a gift card. So this is the size of a gift card. Let's see if it fits. So yep, definitely it fits right there. So you can put it on here as a lid, and then put your message on this side. So I just cut it. I cut the white for the top, and then I used the ephemera pieces, and I put some foam tape on there, and then this would fit a regular size envelope. I thought it's super cute. You can put, this card is made by right here, to personalize it a little bit. And then I think it's going to be a great one for the recipient. So you can put a gift card in there. So that's the first one. And then we made some rosettes, and I just put the ephemera in the middle, and then some foam tape in the back. So that's one, and this one is another one. And then I just used my stash of sentiments right there that are pre-made. And then I think I did another one, which is this one, and then foam tape. So because you can put this anywhere. Next, we made some paper clips. This is just scratch paper from when we made this one. So you're gonna notice that it all matches because this is the scratch or the scrap paper that's left. So you're gonna notice if you want to put it in your planner, it's very cute. You can give it away to a planner friend, or you can use it in your own planner or any project actually. So that's the first one. I think it's super cute. We put a little bit of details on there, and it's gold foiled. So that's the first one. This is another one. I just used this one as a scrap paper. Put the paper clip on there. Put a die cut piece, and this one came from like the scrap stash that I have of images. You know, I like stamping and coloring, and then I don't have any particular project that I use for it. So, but I like to stamp and I like to color, and that's what I do. I just put it on there, and if there's a specific project that needs a little bit of something, then that's what I use. And here's another paper clip that uses a lot of scraps. And this is the one, these cut aparts came from these. You see the ones with that. I don't know what it's called, but I probably like a branding strip. So that's what I used for that. And I think it's a good use of your scrap piece of paper, so you don't have to throw it. You can use it. This is another scrap piece of paper when I made this specific cup. So, and here's another one. You're going to see it all matches because it's all scrap from these papers. And then this one I use the ephemera from the ephemera pack. Here's a pig, and then we'll put that one. Let's put that one just so it's cute. Let's see. I think Wonder and Explore is kind of a... Since there's foam tape right there, I just use my... I don't know what this tool is called, but it's for embossing. So it renders your stickers on... You know, the stickiness or the adhesive goes away. But you can see the gold foil, and then the next one would be these paper clusters. Again, this is the branding strip. I just put some tails on there, put the same mouse that I colored, that I watercolored, and then put a sentiment. I did 3, same mouse, same paper cluster, same branding strips on there, but I think it gave it a little bit of oomph. You know, if you're gonna make a coffee cup, so for example, this is your plain coffee cup, and you just add this and put foam, you're done, right? Super, super simple. And then here's another one, some more of that branding strips, the same mouse, a little bit of sentiments. Super, super, super easy. The next coffee cup, I made 3 coffee cups. I showed you the first one. This is the first one. The second one is a smaller one, and this one works differently. So this one is also available with a die, which is a sleeve, is it called. I just decorated it with some ephemera or die cuts, and then some dots, some of it with foam, some of it just glue. And then when you open it up, you have the sentiment in there. I think the gift card still fits. It does fit. Put it inside and then put it in there. How cute! Look at those colors. It's so beautiful. I would love to get this one with an Amazon gift card inside. Anyway, so I think this is such a cute idea. Adorable, adorable colors, and it doesn't need a lot of paper. So this is a second coffee cup, and then this is the third coffee cup. So the first one did not have a sleeve on it. This one it did. I just stamped the sentiment on there, and then this works the same way. You remove it, and then thank you for everything you do. And then again, the debit card, or not the debit card, but the gift card is in there. So that's it, guys. So as you notice, you didn't use much product, but you have a lot of output right here, just using your creativity. Use your scrap stash to make cards, embellishments, mini albums. There's so many things that you can do with your scrap stash. Right here we get them a Tuesday morning at a discount, so let's use them. Anyway, that's my tip for today. I hope you had fun watching this video. Please like and subscribe. Please like and consider subscribing if you like watching these videos. Thank you so much for your support. Take care. Have a wonderful crafty day. This is Christian from Christian's Crafty Adventures signing off. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Take care. Bye.